Hindi, naka-record na yan. Record lang, tapos ito ang score ha.
Garby, dito ako. Dito ko. Ilan ko lang to. Gusto ko, nakaupo ako eh.
Paano yung buzzer?
Ako pala, ito na, ikaw pa. Kaya mag-passer, kaya mo. Ay, hindi ba kaya mag-passer?
Ito, lapit ko na lang sa'yo.
Gusto ko. Sige. Ayun sa sakal.
Okay, man. Testing.
Okay. Ready na yan. This is a jumble between Baldizer and Samonte.
Ayoko.
Walang bola para sa Borsillo sila 9. Baldizer on the side from the back. Gives on number 19. Good for 2. Kusugo. Avalos. Rebound the ball. Baldizer gives. So Kusugo gives to Baldizer. For the jumpers, Bobby, not good. Rebound again by Bobby. Baldizer jumpers are in. Takings on the side. Jumpers again, not good.
Ano ito? Molok yung molok.
Baldizer drives, not in. Samonte, grab on the side, jumpers are in. Baldizer, to Kusugo.
Ito, molok din ito yun. Ate nga kayo. Patungan.
Molok receive the ball. On the side, fires at him. Kusugo. Avalos attacking. Not good. Samonte drives. Kick out on the side. Sari dribbling. Fires at him. And a foul on jersey number 20. Baldizer first personal foul. First team foul.
Awe ba?
Orto pa rin tayo mga kaibigan. Sarip. On the 3-point Sarip. Kusugo. Baldizer. Avalos. Sarip still the ball. Samonte. Drives in. Figure out. Not good. Kusugo still the ball. Molok on the sideline, not good.
Ano yun?
Basket. At may kasama pang foul on jersey number 20.
Kanina. Dito.
Baldizer second personal foul.
Kaya, ano pinito mo, hoy? Molok ka rin.
Still by Bobby. Bobby, raise it up. Molok. It's good play out that way. You see it? Forcing inside. Wow.
Fast break.
Sarif gives Molok. On the middle. Rejected from behind. 7 seconds to shoot. 5 to shoot. Molok good for 2. So that is 6-2. Studio. Balyeser fires off the glass. Good for 2. Kick off. Fires are in. Balyeser on the ball. Gives to Avalos. Avalos to Studio. Studio, Bobby. 10 seconds to shoot. Avalos sa ilalim.
May kinuha.
Loco. Molok good for 2. Simon tayo para sa 4-7-7 na. Official score natin 8 for Team Moscow and 4 points on 4-0-0-9. 3 minutes, 1 second remaining.
Tama nga doon. Nakasaya. Bakit wala?
Walang natin.
Wait lang. Mga loose.
Asya, ginulit. Balyeser, elbow, drives on the middle, kick out on the side.
Ayun na.
Andre Avalos. Nagumabantay kay Molok. Scoop play again. 10-4.
Nang marami.
Elbow. Custodio pull up jumpers. Good for 2.
10-6.
Apat na kalamangan. 10-6 tayo. Mamonte good for 2.
Huwag kang tumingin, pasokan mo.
Elbow, dribbling the ball. Feeds to Avalos, back to elbow. Kick out of Custodio on the side. Pull up jumpers at him. Good for 2.
Nagagaling ko yan.
Official score natin 12-8. Molok. Tingnan to Sarif. Avalos, Fabi to elbow. Elbow drives. Molok, alley-oop to Samonte. Good for 2. Fabi gives to Custodio to Balyeser. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Basket at may kasama pang foul. On jersey number 31. Molok first personal foul. First team foul.
Malawak dito ba?
Bonus free throw para kay Elbow. Not good. Ako na kalama. 40 seconds remaining. Balyeser, rebound the ball, gives to Fabi. 30 seconds. Kusujo on the side. Good for two. Dalawa na lang po kalamang 14 to 12. 20 seconds remaining.
Maraming shot mo.
15 seconds remaining. 10 seconds. 5 seconds remaining. 4, 3, 2, 1. That is the end of the first quarter. Official score natin, 14 for Moscow and 12 for 009.
Pagod, ang dahil yun. Okay nga, pwede na yan. Ano yan?
Okay, baka matuyuan ng pawis. Back to the ball game. 4-0-0 na tayo.
Ha!
Elbow, Paliser. Hits inside, that good. Wahid Saripata dribbling the ball. On the side, Molok to Samonte. On the baseline, reverse layup, good for two. On the start of the opening frame, good for two. On Samonte. Paliser feeds inside. Molok. Rajan carrying the ball. Turnover.
Ato ko ng bola! Ano ang ball?
Elbow. And there's a whistle. Foul time on jersey number 92. Molok, first personal foul, first team foul. First on the elbow is in. Second on the elbow, good for two. Dalawang kalamangan po, 16 to 14. Samonte on the glass, good for two. Elbow beats to Paliser, good for two. Subdivision, Pavi out. Elmo, nagdadala ng bola. Baldiser. Elmar Baldiser, good for two.
May all na.
All tayo mga kaibigan at 18.
Molok, tumula ka, tumula ka.
10 seconds to shoot. Molok na rin. Elbow. Dire-diretso. Kusujo, recover the ball. Drop to Avalos. Ang laki niya, hindi pa galit. with a foul on jersey number 92. Substitution, Molok out. Molok, second personal foul, second team foul. Oo nga, yung pa yun.
Kahit isa lang, Bokoy!
Bokbok, not good.
Bakit tayo? Doon lang. Sumulok ko.
Running violation.
Wala ka niyo. Ano yun? Yung wala ko.
Ito, Mau.
Good for two.
Kuya.
All time at 20 points. Molok gives to Molok. Jumpers on the middle, not good. Valjeser, rebound the ball. Elbow, dribbling the ball.
Kamigan.
Valjeser attempting to drive. Samonte. Good for two.
22.
Valjeser to elbow. Custodio back to elbow. 10 seconds to shoot. Kick out on the side with a whistle. Foul on jersey number 16 from Cora. Substitution. Barak. White first personal foul, 13 fouls. Elbow to Balicer. Almost losing. Drop to his son. Not good. Samonte. Basket and a foul. Timeout on 4-0 na. Para tayo on jersey number 24. Avalos. First from the bench. First personal foul. First team foul. Magandang gabi po, Mr. Castro. Wag ka na magpakapagod. May laban kayo bukas. Balik tayo sa laro. 3 minutes 51 seconds. Apat ang kalamangan ng Mascom. 24-20. Samonte ball shot is in. Samonte grabs the ball. Good for two. Rise into the 7-point lead. Para sa Mascom 27-20. Valjeser to Avalos. Forcing inside. Anin.
Ang nila yun. Ayaw na ayaw.
Sarip. All of jumpers.
Nagkahiyaan.
Valjeser to Custodio. On the middle, Bobby. Full of jumpers Anin. Samonte, scoop it up. Good for two.
Oo, niebiro naman sa inyo.
Avalos. Searching the studio. Still by Molo. Bobby recover the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. For Covers, Custudio with the glass, Kukuchi.
7.
Molok dribbling the ball. On the arc, jumpers not good. Elbow rebounds. Elbow dribbling the ball, 10 seconds to shoot. Inside the body. It loses. Someone that drives. Good for 2.
Kaya ano kay Andy. Likod, Bin! Likod, Joy!
Elbow dribbling the ball. Kick out. Bobby still from behind. Running jumpers. Custudio.
Ayun na!
Jumpers again. Good for 2.
1 minute pa.
7 lamang sa inyo. Adi.
Sarip on the arc, jumpers not good.
Uli, oh.
10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot.
Kala ko
Good for
sa
2.
Selmonte.
Kaya, kaya.
Serve Baliser, nagtatala ng bola. Gibbs Avalos, 50 seconds remaining. 10 to shoot. Custudio jumpers are good. Samonte drives, lays it up. Samporna, single elbow, and there's a foul on jersey number 25. 27. Elbow. Foul on jersey number 27, elbow. First personal foul and a second team foul. 33 seconds remaining, pare. Official score natin, 33 sa Mascom, 24 sa Porcel. 30 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 20 seconds remaining. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 11 seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining. That is the end of the second quarter.
Pwede na yan.
Kamatuyan ng Pawes, balik na tayo sa laro. Tamang sila, 33, 24 kayo. Dito tayo, para tayo ng master. Samonte dribbling the ball. Ay, gives to Molok. Molok pala nagdi-dribble. To Samonte. On the 3-point line. Avalos. To Baliser. Pitch to Henry. And traveling violation.
Traveling.
Kasi sadya.
Hindi siya.
Molok. Open legs. Samonte rebound the ball dribbling. On the middle, fires in. Molok on the side, 2-2.
Anong malak yun? Malak ano yun kaya? Number 12 yun.
Balyaser of the glass, 2-2. $35-26, naman pa rin ang Muslim. Molok to Samonte. Drive and drop in. Balyaser on the ball. Rosario fires. And there's a foul on jersey number 31. Second personal foul. First team foul pa lang.
Isip yan.
Second jumpers. Cooper. One. Molok jumpers natin. Elbow penalty. Kusujo to Balyaser. Paintings.
Baba, baba.
Traveling violation. Okay. Elbow game sa Balyaser.
Yung mga numero sila, no? Di yun.
Elbow jumpers. Balyaser, drop to Balyaser. Molok, not good. Elbow pushing to Balyaser. Fires and there's a foul. Foul in jersey number 31. Molok, third personal foul. Second team foul. Substitution Avalos. Walang tangka. Good. Pag-subit, boss. Pangalawa. Good in. Time out. Muscom. Remaining on the board is 5 minutes and 25 seconds. Official score natin 35. So Muscom at 29 on 4-0-0-9. Balik tayo sa bola, baka mati ng boys.
Boss. 35, 29, pare.
Anim ang kalamangan ng Muscom, 35-29. Sampang. Ibada to Samporna. Out to the middle. Balyaser on the ball. Advance pass to the studio. They should have the ball. Good for two.
Apat na lang.
Tumora. Sarip on the arc, not good. Baldeser to elbow. Back to Baldeser. Abalos. Elbow. Right in, grab the ball with the foul. Foul tayo on jersey number 92. Moloch, third personal foul. 13 fouls. Saripata arrive on the ball. She's on inside. Rebound by Paddy. Custodio. Kick out to elbow. Elbow drive from the side. Robin. Number 2. Dalawa na lang kalamangan. 35 to 33. Sarip taking a long 3-pointer. Sarip.
Amen.
Elbow gives to Baldeser. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. And there's a whistle. Foul on jersey number 92 again. Moloch number 92, warning 4 fouls. Warning for penalty. Abogado naman. And there's a foul on jersey number 7, Sarip. First personal foul penalty tayo, mga kaibigan. 3 minutes 27 seconds. Hey, sabi sa kayo. Penalty tayo, penalty. Kabugatan naman. Maawa ka naman. Baldeser, first. Second jumpers, 2 points. For Baldeser, all tayo sa 35 puntos. Sampora on the side, Moloch. We had a double foul on jersey number 17 and number 20. Baldeser, third personal foul. Sarip number 17, first personal foul. Ano yun? Diyan po yung rep. Ito tayo. Substitution. Baldeser out.
Wala na silang malaki. Problema na yun.
Malaking puwet, pero.
All tayo sa 35. Bobby. Number of 12. Elbow to Avalos. Nabitaw ng bola. Kick out sa Ilan, good for 2.
Mas matalapin dito na kapit.
Baldeser defending the ball. Searching Custodio. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. "24 seconds." Violation. Saripata. Pull-up jumper sa rin. Bobby arrive on the ball. Gives elbow. Yasucho on the long three-pointers, and there's a foul on jersey number 31, Bobby. First personal foul. First team foul. Timeout called for 4:009. Remaining on the board is 1 minute and 53 seconds. Dalawang kalamangan ng Mascom, 37 to 35. Kabugatan naman. Aray ko. Pagod. 1 minute 53 seconds ang natitira. 1 minuto 53 segundo. Elbow. Sitting. Someone to dribble the ball. Osujori on the ball.
Good daw.
Elbow gives to Studio. Dribbling. Gives back to Studio. On the middle, defending the ball. Kick out the body of the glass. 55 seconds remaining. Sharif on the three-pointer, Sharif. Benjamin, still be Sharif. Drop of Sharif on the baseline, good for 2. 30 seconds remaining. 25 seconds remaining. 20 seconds remaining. Sharif scoop layup that good. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds left. Jumpers is in. 2 seconds. And that's the end of the third quarter. Official score natin, dalawa lang ang lamang ng Mascom, 39 to 37.
Uy! Labas ka!
Kabugatan naman. Aray ko. Balik tayo sa laro. This is the final and last quarter. Kabugatan. Sampora back to Kabugatan. Dribbling the ball. Searching. Mamakol. Jumpers on him. Ay. Balizer to elbow. Waves to Balizer. To elbow. 10 seconds to shoot. Listen. Samporna gives on Saripada, good for two. Elbow drop, Avalos! Ang taas at talon, Darino! Samote of the glass is in. 43-37 ang score. Avalos gives the Baliser. Custudio. Raising up the ball, good for two. Kabugatan to Samonte. Basket at may kasama pang foul number 61 Baliser. First personal foul, first team foul. Ali lang. Avalos rin ang ball. Nagawa ng bola. Samonte rejected. Good for two. Avalos, Custudio. Gives the Baliser. On the arc. And Kabugatan. Advance pass. Mamakol. With some ball on the side. Custudio. Almost losing it. 10 seconds to shoot. Samporna. Sa ilalim, good for two. Custudio to Baliser. Drives up to the middle, in and out. Sampuna ka naman, this is the biggest lead. Custudio still the ball. Ano ba? Elbow to Baliser. Uy, with the no-look pass. Father and son plays in. Kabugatan. Samporna. Mamakol. Back to Kabugatan. Extra pass to Mamakol. Fires! 52-41 tayo mga kaibigan. Elbow attacking in the whistle. Foul on jersey number 2. 22. Substitution. Saripada first, personal foul, first team foul.
Tama kayo.
First rise win.
Kaya kaya hindi.
Samonte to Kabugatan. Drive and kick out. Samporna. Samonte. Pull up jumpers off the glass. Look for two. Elbow drives to the middle. Scoop it up. Good for two. Samonte again in. 56-44. Baliser to elbow. 10 seconds to shoot. Elbow fires. Timeout called for 4:09. 3 minutes, 29 seconds remaining. Official score natin, 56-44. Balik tayo sa laro. Three minutes and 29 seconds remaining. Kapugatan, tumamakol. Fire 3! Swipe, dalawa. Custodio, dribbling the ball. Gives you elbow. Elbow pitch inside, Baliser. Jumpers on the middle, good for 2. Mamakal again. Take along on the 3-pointers are in. 10 seconds to shoot. Kapugatan, Alip inside, Baliser, to Custodio. Pull up jumpers on the middle, not good. And technical time, jersey number 25. White ball. Come on. Same ball tayo, 17 on the board. 2 minutes 26 seconds remaining. Elbow, fires coming. Baliser rebound the ball. Bobby fires. Elbow good position. Last 2 minutes.
Hindi, kinuha.
Moloch in and out. 10 seconds to shoot. Moloch good for 2. Custodio, scoop it up and a foul on jersey number 7. Third personal foul and a second team foul. Fires Mamakol. 3! One minute 21 seconds remaining. Officials score natin 64-49. Kapugatan tumamakol again. Taking the 3 points in. 4. Wilson Baliser on the 3-point lane. Baliser 3. 1 minute to play. Rejected by elbow.
Labas.
52 seconds remaining. Jumpers is in. 50 seconds. 35 seconds. 40 seconds. 35 on the board. 35 seconds on the board. 67. 54. Bobby, good for 2. $25 seconds remaining. $20 seconds. Foul tayo on jersey number 61. Baliser, second personal foul. Second team foul. Ostudio, 15 seconds remaining. 10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining, good for 2. 4 seconds. 2 seconds. Congratulations on Moscow.